After watching this completely, you will be able to build your own RC plane. Well, I am not a super expert. If I can do it, certainly you can also do it. And in this video, I have given the complete instruction. What is the dimension of wing or whatever the body. So I have given the complete details so that it is easy for you to just see that and do it. So make sure you're going to watch till the end so that you can learn how to build a RC plane. And if you want to just understand how it is built, then this video is certainly going to give you an idea how exactly the RC plane is done. So some of the most important things are the cuttings, and again, since it's a styrofoam, we got to be extra cautious in cutting and polishing. So once we do polishing, that's when we actually get a great finish. So initially we are going to just remove it using the cutter, and then the process is all about polishing using the sandpaper, whatever we get. So make sure you're going to get this kind of shape, and after that you just polish so that you're going to get the finishing so that it's getting a aerodynamic shape. So this is how the shape is going to look. So this is something that where we have almost come to an end of creating one of the wing. So the beauty with this RC plane is like this is a glider, so which can actually land smooth, and the flying is also not very difficult. Again, as I said, I am not an expert in flying, but I was able to really enjoy flying. So this is the carbon fiber rod, which is 6 mm thick and it's 1 meter long. Now since the wings are wide, it needs to have the right support, okay, so that it's not going to break. So that's where we are going to use this carbon fiber rod, and it can be ordered from multiple websites. So it's available on Amazon, and it's also available on Robo. I'm just going to give the link of all these products in the description as well. So make the exact center point of it, and then cut it in the V groove shape. Okay, so once you cut it in the V groove shape, you will be able to keep that over there, and you'll be able to fix it. Now for fixing purpose, we are going to use araldite, so that really helps in keeping this intact. And make sure you're actually following the measurements whatever I have given, so that it's easy for you to understand and do it by yourself as well. So now we are just going to connect both the wings together. So applying araldite makes it really strong, and it gets the right support as well. So this is a self-adhesive sticker which is available on Amazon, or you can also get it from usually the bike and car stickering shops, which will be there. Now the reason for putting this is it actually gives more strength, and whenever if it crashes, so the body of this is not going to get damaged. So that's where we thought, okay, let's see this. Now after applying this, we really understood that, okay, this is really strong. It really makes it strong and very effective as well. So initially it takes a bit of time to learn how to stick it. So I think in the initial we got a bit of bubbles, but that is something that could be removed as well. So we are covering the complete body with this. So now we are going to prepare the fuselage. So this is the dimension. It's 70 centimeter by 12 centimeter, and we need two piece for this. So this is a carbon fiber rod with 14 mm thickness, and it has an inner dia of 12 mm and 1 meter long. So this gives the complete support for the flight. So now we are making the groove to fix the carbon fiber rod, and make sure that the arrowhead is applied well, so that it does not shake. And one thing to ensure here is the carbon fiber rod that is there, it should be parallel to the ground, so it should neither bend down nor up. So one should really make sure that, okay, the carbon fiber rod is exactly parallel to the ground, or exactly parallel to the body of the RC plane what we are making right now. So again, we are just going to apply the tape on this. So this is the horizontal stabilizer, which is around 14 centimeter in width and 60 centimeter long. So we have to follow the same process the way we did for the wing, where we just have to cut using the cutters, and later we have to polish it to give a aerodynamic shape. So you could see that, okay, it's in the right shape now. And this is for making the vertical stabilizer. Now this is how the finished product looks. Now we need to cut this to make the elevator. So cut it completely till that 5 centimeter marking, and also we need to make sure there is a slight clearance so that it can actually go up and down very well. Now here the cutting should go till the point where we have put the tape. So make a slight groove so that the elevator can go up and down. So do comment below if you have already played with RC planes, and did you make one by yourself or something, and what is your experience? Well, I really enjoyed building this RC plane, which I almost took around 16 hours to build it, but the process was really enjoyable. So now our elevator is ready, and we have to fix this on the carbon fiber rod. Again, I'm just going to make a V groove and fix it on top of it. So again, the same rule here. So we need to really make sure that this is exactly parallel to the ground, or parallel to the body of the RC plane what we are doing. So it might roughly take around 5 to 10 minutes for the arrowhead to hold it firmly. Now we are making the holes for putting the rubber band as a support to hold the wings. So that's what we are making the hole right now. So these are bamboo skewers. So that's what we are using right now. And also, if you see on the fuselage, I have made it slightly wide so that the wing can actually fit correctly. So that's a servo motor what we are going to fix, and this part actually comes along with the servo motor itself. And please do make sure these things are fixed correctly, because if by chance while flying if they come off, then you will not be able to control the flight, and there are high chances that it might crash. So now the servo motor is placed exactly in the middle where the cutting has been made. So that's actually a extension wire what we are using, and this is the Y connector, so that two servo motors can be connected to a single channel. So you could see that, okay, we have one servo motor here and one more on the other side. So let's fix the vertical stabilizer. So this is the servo motor for the elevator. And fixing the servo motor for the radar. So let me show you how exactly the connection has come. So using the extension wire, I have got it till the fuselage. So we are going to use 2200 kV brushless motor in this. So that's how it looks, and we are just preparing the body so that we can mount the motor on top of it. So that's where our motor is fixing right now. So this is how we actually fix the wing to the body of the flight. So this is a 6-channel receiver, and this is the electronic speed controller which is connected to the motor, and that actually goes to channel 3. Now this is 2200 mAh battery. I'm going to show you completely how exactly all the servos have been connected with the diagram, so that it's easy for you to understand. So this is the 6-channel receiver. Now you can see the motor is connected to channel 3, and the elevator is connected to channel 2, radar to channel 4, and the wings are connected to channel 1. So this is how exactly the connections are done. So fantastic. Now you have learned how to build a RC plane. Now let's fly it. So please comment below what do you feel about this project, and if you have any questions related to this, just comment below and I'll try my best to answer them. So I hope you enjoyed this.
Done.
Now let's test and see if this can fly. Start. Start. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and hit that bell notification and select all notification so that you don't miss any updates from this channel. Also, do watch our other videos. See you in the next video.